So can generative AI tackle 3D scanning? Within this case study, I have two meshes. One has been obtained using a 3D scanner, in this case an Artec, and the other one using generative AI based on the 3D scanning image input. And as we can see over here, this perspective, that leg of the crocodile will be defined like this. But if I will turn around, you're going to see that this will actually miss that leg. So you can already tell which one is the generative AI. There are other elements that will also indicate this. For example, we see over here this added element, while the 3D scan had those aligned like this. Now, from this perspective, the meshes will look quite decent, both of those, but over here for the overall shape of the crocodile head, it will have a little bit of odd elements. Now, regarding the poly count, we see over here, this will be defined by 2 million triangles, this one as well, so the 3D scan. If you're going to take a look at the case study scan, this will be the following. We see over here that the tail has been fragmented. And I use a print screen of this as an input image. So in this case, I rotated the statue like this, created the print screen, uploaded that to the following tool. So this will be Spark 3D. We see over here the print screen, the black and white, just like I previously shown. And this will be the output mesh. So this is the question, can generative AI tackle 3D scanning? In my opinion, it still has a lot of challenges that it needs to address. We see over here that this perspective is quite decent, even though if you're going to take a look at a close-up on the model, it will be a little bit weird. So over here we see that shape of the eye, but over here it added some weird geometry. Over here on the 3D scan, this is better defined. We can also address the shading over here. If I will go with auto smoothing, over here again I can go with auto smoothing, and that will make the mesh a little bit better visually because nothing really happens. We can also change the cavity over here to better see those added details. And we see with that cavity added on the generative AI, it will have those weird details over here, while the one that has been 3D scanned will have better details. So let me know in the comment section, what is your opinion regarding this? Do you think that generative AI will tackle 3D scanning? Because I think it will manage to do this within the future, but currently it lacks all of those additional details. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You will find a similar video on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.